This initial solution will show you how to improve Snapchat camera quality. So I'm gonna opening my Snapchat, and if I take a snap here, as you can see the quality isn't much better. And to improve the camera quality, you can follow these 2 steps. So first of all, turn on the flashlight option here and then take a photo, and as you can see it's much better now. And the second solution is go to your phone settings and scroll down and search for camera, and search for camera. Once you get it, tap on camera and tap on record video, and here you have to select higher quality. You can select 4K at 60 fps, and you have to turn on the HDR video option from here, and then go to your Snapchat and you will see your camera has been improved. So this is how we can improve Snapchat camera quality. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.